Hi YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to show you a quick way how to make your login form more secure. So as you guys have seen this login and sign up form, like you have seen many tutorials how to make one. So I had made one already in advance. Like here you can go and register yourself. Here you can log in. So now the issue with these things are like you can directly access anything if you are using sessions and you're not handling them properly. Like this is my account page. This is the main page that I have to view to the user when the user is logged in, but I can directly go and access it, and it's giving me notice here that undefined index name on line 28 in account.php. So I'm going to show you what is that. So what I did is, if you are familiar with PHP, you are obviously familiar with session variables. So what I did is I made it using my SQLite procedure. So what I did is, once the username and password is correct and the session is set, so what I'm going to do, oh shit, I don't want two sessions to be started here, so I can get rid of this one. So what I did in advance is, if the username and password is correct, I'm going to create two session variables. One is ID, that is getting the ID from the PHP MyAdmin database, like from here this is the ID, and the other one is getting the name, and this is the name. So, and our password is SHA1 encrypted here. So even like once you click log out, you're like log out, and now let's go, and I want to show you one more thing. So I have one account in my database. Okay, well, let's make a new one. So enter your name here. So let's enter Obama, enter the password, it's PASS, enter the email. So I'm going to use this email. I used it for my testing also, obama@usa.com. Let's register. So the user is registered now. So let's go and check here. So it's taking time. Yeah, so it's here. The name is Obama, the email is obama@usa.com, and this is SHA1 encrypted password here. So now if I type email, let's say I type a lot of rubbish here and I type the password, so it's saying me invalid username and password, and now let's use correct login. Now I am able to log in, but what I can do is I can go and preview this login form again. I can come back to my account page. I can even go and register a new user even if I am logged in. So obviously you don't want these things to happen on your website. Like once the user is logged in, he's still able to view the register page and the sorry guys, and he's still able to preview the main login form, and he can just go back and forth and can do whatever the shit you want to do. So obviously you want to secure your website. So first of all, we have to secure the account page. So as I have commented here, that this is to make sure that someone cannot directly access the account page that we have designed here for the user that is logged in. So for that we need this code here. So if the session is not set, if the session ID is not set, means the user is not logged in, and it's empty. Either of these one condition, if either of these one condition will be true, our location will be index.php, which is the main login form. So now let's check. Let me log out. I'm logged out now. So let me go, and now I am not logged in, and I'm trying to access this account.php page. You guys can see account.php. So once I hit enter, it redirected me back to index.php. So this is what you want to achieve. You can see here that if our username and password is correct, we are getting the count equal to 1, it redirects to account.php. So on account.php we have included one more condition, that if our session ID is not set and our session ID is empty, we don't want the user to be we don't want the user to go to account page. So there is one more thing, guys. So let me log in. So which I was telling before, now I'm logged in and still I am able to view this registered page. So obviously we don't want that to happen. So for that I have to go to register page and make sure you are including this everywhere on the page whenever you are using session variables. So let me type the same code here. If the session ID is not set, or even if it is empty, so what we can say, we can do something like this. We can echo you are already logged in and cannot register. So after that I'm going to have one a tag here and account.php. So let's end this here, and inside here I can say click here, and you're already logged in and cannot register. Click here to go back. It's back. So let's end this and a semicolon. So now let me refresh the page. So now let me go to the register page. So now I am able to view the register page here, name, password, email, because I'm not logged in. So let me log in again. Oops, I'm by typing it wrong. Yeah, now it's right. So now I'm logged in. So it's saying me welcome Obama, which is it's fetching from here. So now let's click register. Oh shit, I'm able to view the register page. Oh sorry, I have to change the condition here. I have to flip this over. Like if the session is set and session ID is not empty, then we're gonna say like this. I'm really sorry guys. So now let me go back to account page. I will be able to do that because I'm logged in. So let me now go to register page. So it's saying me that you are already logged in and cannot register. And now you guys have seen that already we are giving this message here, but this form is still displaying here. So for that you have to put a condition here. You have to exit the script here. Okay, if you are forgetting this, oops, so this is really important. If you are not including this, your user will be still able to view this page. So now let me refresh. It's disappeared. So I made that error to show you guys what errors you can do while programming. So now let's click here. We are on account.php and we cannot register. So once you are logged out, you can go and register a new user here. So there is still one more thing guys. So now we have prevented everything, like we can go directly to account page, and once we are logged in we can register. But there is one more thing which I mentioned earlier. Once you are logged in, you are still able to come back to this login form, and we don't want that to be happen. So here I have included a comment here, as you guys can see. This is to make sure that the user who is logged in will not be able to view the login form again. So for that we have to use this similar script. Let me copy this. I don't like typing too much, I'm lazy. So let's, instead of giving this thing, you can simply use header here. So we can redirect the user back to account.php. So if the session is set and it's not empty, we can redirect the user again to account.php. So this way the logged in user cannot view this login form again. So as you guys saw, once I refresh the page, it took me to account.php. Even if I try to come back, I cannot. If I want to try to register, I cannot. So this is how you can make your login form secure. So when I am logged in, I'm able to do anything except I cannot go and access the account page. So this is the way I guessed is correct to make a login and sign up form secure. So I'm not perfect, obviously, there are many better ways than this. So if you like this tutorial, please do subscribe my channel and to follow me for such tutorials in future. Thank you very much guys, have a nice day.